If you've ever stood in the grocery aisle, staring at rows of colorful jars, wondering, what's the real difference between jam, jelly, and preserves? You're not alone. They all start with fruit and sugar. But how the fruit is used changes everything. Let's start with jelly. Jelly is made from fruit juice only. No fruit pieces, no chunks. The fruit is cooked, the juice is strained out, then mixed with sugar and something called pectin, which helps it set. The result is clear, smooth, and firm. It holds its shape. You can usually see light through it. Jelly is great if you like a clean, neat spread on your toast, or a classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Now, jam. Jam uses the actual fruit, usually crushed or pureed. That means you get tiny bits of fruit in every bite. It's softer than jelly, spreads more easily, and feels a little more rustic. Because you're eating the fruit itself, jam often tastes stronger and more fruity than jelly. It's perfect for toast, muffins, or stirring into yogurt. Finally, preserves. Preserves are the chunkiest of the three. They're made with larger pieces of fruit, or sometimes even whole berries, suspended in a syrup or gel. When you spoon out preserves, you'll see and feel those fruit pieces. It's almost like eating sweet, soft fruit with a bit of sauce around it. Preserves are great on biscuits, pancakes, or spooned over ice cream. So, quick recap. Jelly is smooth and made from fruit juice. Jam is thick and spreadable, made from crushed fruit. Preserves are chunky, with big pieces or whole fruits. In terms of flavor, none is better than the others. It's really about texture and how you like to eat it. If you want tidy sandwiches, go for jelly. If you love a bold, fruity spread, jam is your friend. And if you enjoy bites of real fruit, reach for preserves. Now that you know the difference, you'll never be confused in the jam aisle again. And if you'd love to turn simple ideas like this into your own explainer videos, check out vidfactory.ai. You can create clean, animated explainer videos in just a few minutes with no editing skills needed. Head to vidfactory.ai and start bringing your explanations to life.